Oh my God. Yes, we have another wig from AshimaryHair. I got some great things to share with you guys. Go ahead and just Ooh. All right. Got some good stuff in here, y'all. Oh, the wig, of course. A whole bunch of Christmas goodies. Yes. I love around the holidays because a lot of companies package so many gifts inside. Let's get into it. So I know you all really love their invisible strap wigs. So I have a special style that I want to share with you guys today that will make it all worthwhile. Why am I not focusing? Give me a second. Much better. Now it varies from sale to sale, of course, what you're going to get. The wig cap, I know every wig comes with a wig cap. So they give you the HD wig cap and also an instruction card. You also get maybe some hair accessories. Since this is an invisible strap wig, they also give an extra invisible strap just in case you damage yours. You have an extra one, and I do have a video on how to put it into the cap, so you can always reference my video. The rest of the stuff is just like an edge band, which we love to use because we need it, some eyelashes, and bobby pin. And in this baggie, they give you the little bracelet, comb for the shower, great for curly wigs, bonnets, some adhesive tape. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, it's not about the accessories here, but I never really break down everything that comes because I don't know, I feel like it's very important to have good presentation to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is really pretty. I'm gonna wear this today. So this is what the hair looks like straight out the packaging. Look at that, y'all. Pre-curled. I love when my wigs come pre-curled. It's so convenient. It doesn't take up too much time. Look at the hairline. Like, the presentation for this is gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. And the curls are super soft and bouncy. There we go. So bouncy. So this is what the hairline looks like. Comes with pre-cut lace, or you can get it not cut. It's up to you. The density of this wig is 180%, but it goes up to 250, so you can get it into 250. And I believe the length on this is a 26 inch. What I'm going to do is put everything in the description box so that if you guys want accuracy, definitely read the description box below, because sometimes I forget. By the time I start sharing the hair, I'll be like, okay, what length is this again? So check the description box. I will also put discount. Invisible straps look like this. If you haven't seen them already, it comes with the pull string that looks like this, so you can pull it until it fits. And I love that they add a comb also in there. It helps to secure. So this is what the cap construction look like for their 360 invisible strap wig. Slide on my wig work needed. I'm going to go ahead and just slide on the wig. It's kind of loose right now. I'm probably going to have to go and cut the sides just slightly, but this is what it looks like. You want to go ahead and tighten the drawstring, so I'm going to find it, and it's probably about right here. And I'm just going to take the string and I'm going to pull it just like this, tighten it up, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And of course, you just want to tuck the strings after you get it to where you want it to be. Sometimes with the invisible strap, and I know you probably had this problem too, it comes over the ear. If they don't have the pre-shape to the invisible strap area, if I put a slit here right now, I've made a mistake sometime and cut that invisible strap. If I do, it's going to loosen the front. So right now the front is very secure because it's pulling with the string, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my scissors and add a little bit of slit, just a little slit, not too much. Once I do that, I can pull my ear out behind the ear, but it does loosen up the front some. So now I don't have as much tension there. I think it's very important for companies to add that C shape around the ear. Okay, so I did add tape to the side. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just stick it on down. Press so we can be nice and secure here at the sides. Do not worry about the lace. We're gonna fix that in a second, but this is what the hairline looks like. I'm taking my melting spray and we're gonna melt down the lace. I'm gonna tie down the edge, of course, for about 15 minutes. And the great thing about the invisible strap is in the back, you don't need to glue it down. The specialty about today's style is that they do have extra bang that you can add. If you don't like bangs, that's fine. If you do love it and you want to add it. So I have something here for you. This will be a separate link in the description box. It won't be in the same link as the wig. So it'll be 2 links down there for you guys to choose. They also have a bang. So if you want to switch it up, create a bang style without actually cutting into your wig, which we all know can end badly, you have the option to try out their bang. It retails for $19, so it's not too bad. So it looks like this. Let me see if I can get it. It looks like this, y'all. It has a 5-second install, so you can switch up your style really fast. It's 100% human hair, and it's reusable for up to 1 year. And the hair quality feels really good too. It's soft. It's not like they gave you like a bang that has really poor quality. It's just as good as the hair quality. The hairline looks like it's glued down. So what I'm gonna do to get rid of that, you can tint the lace, of course, if you want to. I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer and just touch the lace to match my forehead. That is the timer for the hairline. And it just looks so good already, y'all. I'm gonna do an updo style for you guys, so stay tuned if you want to see that. Right now I'm just going to show you what the bang look like if you add it to the wig. The hair is pre-curled, but because I did add the parting, I'm of course going to have to touch that up. And I'm going to brush the hair out. And it turns into a beautiful body wave when you do this. Serum to the hair. Just add some of this serum. And this hair is super long. I'm just going to go back and add a curl to the ends, because when I brushed it out it did get a bit frizzy. Just add a little bit of curls there. Okay. So this is what the style looks like without the bang. Of course, it's just a nice body wave texture. What the hairline looks like now. So good, y'all, so good. All right, so let's add the bang right quick. I'm gonna just take my curling iron and just put a bend in the hair. So you just pop it open like that. You'll just take it back further than what it's supposed to. So I'm gonna take it maybe to about right here, down the parting. Insert that comb, snap, and instantly you have. Oh yeah, I like the versatility of this. It just looks so good. So now we're gonna pull it up and do an updo style with this being 26 inches. Oh, the hair doesn't feel heavy at all to pull up. Like, I love that. So you can pull it up like this. And as you can see, that's what it looked like in the back. Just pull some of them strands of hair down, of course. So I'm gonna pull it all the way up. I'm gonna flip this. This is awesome. I really like the fact that the hair is so versatile. I don't need to use a hot comb or anything to get it to come all the way up to the top of my head. It's a really long length. As you can see, I'm still working with it very well. So I'm just gonna try to hide that parting some without brushing out the curls. I'm gonna do like a bun up here. Kind of flare that out. I'm gonna take the curls and just kind of wrap them. Some bobby pins, so that's great. The one thing I love about their wigs is that you can get so versatile with it, and it does not take talent. It really don't. If you know how to do your hair, you can do this. I'm gonna insert some bobby pins. Yeah. Look how perfect this is. It speaks for itself. I didn't do anything special, I promise you guys. Took the hair out the box, and you guys saw me just start styling, pulled it up. Let me pin this right quick. So this is what it looks like if you wish to just wear it in an updo. You got baby hairs in the back. Okay, so what we're gonna do, take the bang again, and I'm going to insert it closer to the ponytail this time, like so, and just snap. That looks so good. This looks so good. So freaking good. Fix it a little bit. I am highly impressed with the transformation. So again, this wig is from AshimaryHair. Again, I will put the link to the wig and the link to the bangs, because they're separate, in the description box. You know, I feel like a nose ring would go good with this. Yeah, I'm about to be extra right quick before I go. Hold on, let me show y'all something. It's giving some type of vibe, y'all. Yeah, a little moon. Yeah, turn that just a little bit. All right, y'all, everything will be linked below. Thank you so much for joining me back for today's video, and I will see you all back in my next video.